What is the most common cause of spontaneous first trimester or second trimester abortion? Anyone can tell me? What is the most common cause? Think. Yes, it is fetal cause. It is chromosomal anomalies. Okay. Next question. What is the most common chromosomal abnormality causing spontaneous abortion? It is, yes, it is aneuploidy, not euploidies. Aneuploidies are the most common chromosomal abnormality causing spontaneous abortion. What is it? The most common aneuploidy is a trisomy. Okay. What is the most common trisomy amongst all the trisomies which cause abortions? The most common trisomy is trisomy 16. So if you ask the most common trisomy, the answer is 16. But if you're asked the single most specific, most frequent specific abnormality, then the answer is yes. The answer is 45XO or monosomy X or Turner syndrome. All are the same. Okay, so remember this slide. This slide is very, 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 very important.